Guys, fishing na naman tayo. Sunduin ko lang yung kasama ko. Tulog pa. Dito siya. Tayo lang natin. Dala natin yung fishing rod. May kasama natin. Hurry up, man! Maybe fish gone to school, you know. Ang usapan namin na alis kami is 5:30 ng umaga. Ngayon, 8:30 na. Sana may mahuli pa kaming isda. So guys, this is Tero. He's from St. Vincent. He has so much ladies in his life. He's a womanizer. Wow! You laughing? The boy laughing, man. No, I'm just joking. The guy is good, you know. Working hard. So yeah, wish us luck, man. Maybe we catch one fish, you know. A small one. Good morning. Yes, sir. Dili mo tayo ng... Wow, let's buy food, man. Ito yung mga mini grocery store dito. Some apple. Abang apple. Go grab some drinks for us. Two. Big man, Miss Rose there? Oh, Miss Rose, hello. And a soap, yeah. Okay, 24, everything. Okay. Plastic bag. Okay. You didn't have breakfast, you know?
No, yeah, bro.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss Rose.
Can I juice you apple?
I drink. Gatorade, mama.
2 Gatorade, 2 red.
Yes, I. You got Spotty, you gonna go fishing as well?
Yeah, man. You got it.
What?
Alright.
Yeah, man. So guys, bumili lang kami ng baon. We just bought some snacks. We're gonna go to that spot. Lapas tayo dun. Lampas tayo dyan. Masarap din na snacks to. I still have that. Take some, man. Need some Bob Marley. This is Foxes. Yes, I. Nakapark nga pala yung bangka na yan dati sa gitna ng dagat. Kaso nagkaroon kami ng bagyo, mga 1 buwan na nakakaraan. Inaanod siya ng malakas na alon hanggang mapunta dyan sa Pampang. Yung may-ari nasa US yata. Kaya hanggang ngayon walang nag-aasikaso. Sayang. Ang ganda pa naman yan dati. So guys, 5 araw na pala kami naglalakad. Wala lang, nasabi ko lang para may masabi. May nakita pala kaming sirena sa Pampang. Nung nilipitan ko, ang sabi, "Hi Pogi, 150. Medyo maulap nga pala yung panahon ngayon. Pero high tide, sana maraming mahuli. Rain coming.
A few moments later.
Bring Shane Von. Yeah.
Barred fish. Tinahuli natin today. Barred fish, pero unfortunately kailangan natin pakawalan. Pakawalan natin siya. Where's your fish? Oh, the fuck! It's a barred fish, it's big. Yeah, man.